welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a fabulous day. As you can see from the description, we are going to be opening up this ColourPop order. I am super excited. You can see from the description, this is from their new Disney Villains collection. I cannot wait. I did not order everything. I would have loved to, but I did pick up some stuff, including the palette, so I'm super excited to dive in here and see what it looks like in person and share with you guys. So yay. So let's go ahead and open this up. I really am loving ColourPop, you guys. I mean, it wasn't until about 2 months ago that I ever used my first product from them, but the quality of their products and the price, you really just cannot beat. They package everything so well. Inside it is super cute. So let's peel back this bubble wrap. Yay. I'll put a link down below. If you have not ever actually ordered from their website, it will save you $5 on your first order. So I thought that was kind of cool. But let's get into our villain goodies. So the first thing I'll show you guys is one of the villain ColourPop Luxe lips. I love the formula of their Luxe lips. I actually have one on right now. But I got the Maleficent. Can't talk. Maleficent. Sometimes I need a blooper reel because I don't edit. Maleficent. So the packaging is super cute. So yay for that. And this color I think is going to be a little bit outside of my comfort zone. This one is it's a little brighter, but it's getting to be springtime. So I figured, why not? Okay, the packaging on this is super, super cute. So it is ColourPop and it says Disney Villains. Okay, so this actually is not quite as outside of my comfort zone as I thought, so I'm excited for that. And as opposed to the normal stars on the bullet lipstick like this, it says Villains. But is this color not gorgeous? It's like a really pretty berry color. Oh, I love that. I love that color. So this is the Maleficent. I still don't even know. That doesn't sound right to me for some reason. But and that is the villain, one of the villain lipsticks. And then the other item I ordered, open it, is one of the highlighters from the Villains collection, obviously. And this, I went with the Ursula. It's one of their Super Shock highlighters. This packaging, y'all, is so cute. So and it's, the name of the color is Poor Unfortunate Souls. Is there an actual name on? I can't really see, but yes, Poor Unfortunate Souls is the name of this highlighter, which I think is obviously quite appropriate for Ursula. Oh, so pretty. I love this. It actually has a little mirror, which is nice, but I'm going to cover that up. I liked this because it has a pink, it's a pinky highlighter. Normally I go with more like golds or whitish, I guess you would say, but I thought the pink would be really pretty, especially in the summer. So let's give this bad boy a little swatch, and of course it feels just as smooth and creamy as any of their Super Shock highlighters or shadows or anything. So, and there you can see it. Oh, it is so pretty, so pretty. So I do have a makeup wipe here to keep my hands clean. We'll actually go ahead and just wipe those two off because we're getting to the best part. Yay! The palette. Look at that, you guys. The Disney Villains Misunderstood. I'm so excited. Oh, the names. No Spots, Mongrels, Diablo, Devious, Tragic, Underworld, Pain and Panic, Forest of Thorns, Flotsam, The Fates, 101, Jet Sam, Sing, Revenge, and Facile, or Facile, I'm not sure. A couple of these I don't recognize. I have a son, so some of the newer princessy movies that have villains I'm not that familiar with. The packaging on this palette. Oh my gosh. How gorgeous is it? You guys, really? This is so pretty. But the best part. Oh my goodness, y'all, I did not realize, I guess, just how many of these were actual glitter and not just shimmer. Looks like we have 3, 4, 5 matte and then shimmer and glitters. Oh my gosh. These are so gorgeous. And you see the sparkle here? Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me right now? Oh, this is going to be so much fun. And I don't know why, but this one right here, this super glittery, sparkly black is calling my name. That is the Revenge color. So let's do a little swatch of this. Oh. What? That would make such a gorgeous smoky eye, and then that sparkle. Okay. And then this one too, this Forest of Thorns, this purple right here, or plum magenta type. Oh, they are so soft. That is one thing about the ColourPop shadows. Oh, that is so gorgeous. I see those two together making something really pretty. And then let's see, we'll do Mongrels. This one right here, this really pretty like champagne-y sparkle. Gosh, they are so buttery soft. Oh my goodness. Is this not gorgeous? And with these three colors together, am I like, I'm seeing an eye look with these. They are gorgeous. Yo, I'm in love. I mean, I love ColourPop. I knew I loved ColourPop. And when I saw these Disney Villain products, I was like, oh my gosh, please, yes, sign me up. What do I need to do? Like, instantly placed an order. So I am just like, wow, with these. So, and obviously it all comes off very easily with a makeup wipe. So yes, the gorgeous, again, the packaging too is phenomenal to me. The Disney Villains Misunderstood palette. Again, I'll show you guys here. These beautiful colors. And then we got the, where did I put it? Did I lose it? I thought I lost it for a second. The very pretty Ursula, hide the mirror, Super Shock, not shadow, highlighter, love it. The pinky undertone, look at that. Whoa! So we have that guy. Oh, I'm in love. Okay. And then the Maleficent really pretty berry shade of lipstick. So those are the few items I picked up from their new Disney Villains collection. Let me know down below if you have ordered anything, if you've picked it up, what you guys think. Also, let me know how your day is going. I love hearing from you guys. So I am super excited about this. But here's one more little thing. I hope you paid attention to the video. So I had mentioned in one of my live streams that I was going to do like a little pop-up giveaway. Guess what? It's this video. Yay! So what I have for this giveaway is inside this box right here. It is the Show Me Your Moo Brie robe from FabFitFun. This is like an $89 value. It is so soft and so beautiful. I just don't really wear robes, like a bathrobe or anything, even after like the shower getting ready. So I thought one of you guys would enjoy it. It is super, super pretty, like I said, and perfect for spring. And then this gorgeous brand new Michael Kors wallet. The only thing with this wallet, you guys, and I do want this obviously to be known, is because it is a snap closure. You can see both snaps are here. However, on this part, this one is not on it. I do have it. It is in here in the zipper part. So if you know how to fix it, here's the little snap piece. But this is 100% brand new. I think this is super cute. This can come out. So if you just need like your ID and your debit card or something, you have this. Otherwise, you know, you do have the full wallet. It does have pockets inside. And then, like I said, it snaps and obviously has the zipper part for change or whatever. So all you have to do to be entered is obviously be subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below telling me your favorite springtime flower. Because obviously there are certain flowers that bloom during the spring that don't in other times of the year. So tell me your favorite springtime flower, and you must have a US shipping address. So be subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and in the comment anywhere you can just put what your favorite springtime flower is, and like I said, have a US shipping address. Today is Thursday, the 28th of March. I have to think about it for a second. We will run this giveaway for 3 weeks. So, not exactly sure what date that is, but we will run it for 3 weeks. So 3 weeks from today, we will end the giveaway at 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. So definitely do, like I said, if you want to have a chance to win this brand new Michael Kors wallet and the Show Me Your Moo Brie robe from FabFitFun, just follow those easy steps. I hope you all have a fantastic day. I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, don't forget to tell me your thoughts on the Disney Villains ColourPop collection. I hope you all, again, I think I said this like 7 times, have a fabulous day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.